Hey guys, this is HP DeskJet 2007 series. What I want to do is to show you how to scan document from this printer to your mobile device and also scan from this printer to your computer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device and computer are connected to the same network, and this is the printer and ink level, and also this is the printer and ink level. To scan your document, open up the glass scanner and stick the document that you want to scan face down. Make sure the document starts from your right. So this is A4 paper. Then close the scanner. Want to scan to the mobile phone first. From the app, you select printer scan. Then you scroll down. Make sure you select the correct size of the paper. The paper we have here is A4 paper. Then you go back, source, glass scanner. Resolution, scroll down, the maximum with mobile phone is 300 dpi. Then you go back, color, you want to scan this color. If you want to scan it black, then you select black. Then you go back. Then if you want to scan in batch, then you select batch. If you want to scan photo, then you select photo. If you want to scan document or text extra, you want to scan document, then select scan. This document is scanning. This is the document. Then you select full, select next. If you want to scan the second one, then you select add. Then open up the glass scanner and stick the document that you want to scan face down. Then you select scan. Select full, then select next. And these are the documents we scan, first and second one. This document, if you want to save this document, then select save. Select file as basic PDF. Type of document as A4. Then you select where you want to save this. Then you can also give the document name if you like. Then select save. Then you select folder. Then select this folder. Your file has been saved. Go back to home page. Then you select OK. If you want to print this document out, then you select share. Then select PDF. Then select share. It will give you all the options available. Then you scroll to the side and look for HP. Select HP print, select start. Then select the printer. Then select print. This document is printing. This is the document. This is the document we scanned and printed it out single page each. If you want to scan document from this printer to your computer, then select scan. And also then stick the document that you want to scan. Then from this HP Smart app, then you select preset as document, scan the entire area, output is color, resolution maximum is 1200 dpi on the laptop. So we want to select 300 dpi. We can select preview or scan. So select scan. So this document is scanning. This is the document we scanned. If you want to scan the second page, open up the glass scanner and stick the document that you want to scan face down. You can do this as many as you like. Then select add. Select scan. So this is the document we scanned, two of those. If you want to save this document, then you select save, basic PDF, then select save. Then you select where you want to save this in the downloads, then select save, or you can save it in a picture or anywhere or documents. So select save. Your file has been saved. Then you close it. So if you want to print this document out, then you go back to the file. So go to My Files, go to Downloads, or wherever you save the document, double click the document to open. This is the document we scanned. To print this document out, you select Print icon on top. Then scroll down, select the correct printer, HP DeskJet 2007 Red Series. You can't find the printer, then you select Add Printer. Then select Add. And you find HP DeskJet 2007 Red Series, inkjet printer and scanners. Then select Add. So it's connecting. It's installing. And it's showing us ready. So to print this document out, then you select Print. Select the correct printer, HP DeskJet. Layout is portrait, print all. You want to print on both sides, then select print. With this printer, you can print on both sides, but you need to turn the document the other way around. So you take this document, put it this way, then put it back, then select continue. This is the document we scanned and printed it out double-sided. Thank you very much indeed. This is how to scan your document from this printer to your computer.